Hey guys, welcome to this new video. Today I'm gonna put away this nice fire pit. Well, a few days ago the landowner of this place came here because he wanted to see what I built here, but he didn't like that I have a fire pit here because other people could go there and he don't wants to animate them to make a fire because it's really a lot of dead wood here and that could be dangerous. And so now I'm gonna put this fire pit away, but I'll leave this big rock here, but just turn it around that the black side where you can see that I had a fire there. I'll turn face to the ground and then we'll just make a big fire if we're gonna do an overnight. So let's get started. Actually, I'm done now. I removed the fireplace, well, let the big rock here, and we can turn it if we want to make a fire. And I think now you can say that this is a fire pit, right? So that's done, but I think that this is a bit too short for a video, so now I'm gonna walk up this hill and shoot some nice pictures. So this was an amazing view up there. I'm gonna show you the picture at the end of the video again, but this view was amazing. So I had a really good time up there. I think I shot some pretty nice pictures. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed these pictures I shot, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.